Meet Dan. Dan is an ordinary teenager who enjoys hanging out with friends, reading books, sports, and much more. Dan's parents are regular employees at a local company, and on his 18th birthday, they demand that he finds a job and learns to live independently, as they are tired of catering to their son's whims and would like to start traveling. Perhaps you have a similar situation? Dan had no choice but to listen to his parents and find a job. After a couple of months of searching, Dan's friend Steve offered him a job. A month later, Dan experienced a tremendous sense of freedom and independence after receiving his first paycheck for the work he did. A world of possibilities opened up before him. Dan was lucky to find a well-paying job. He moved out from his parents' place and rented a one-bedroom apartment. After covering all expenses, he still had $500 left. Sitting on the edge of his bed, Dan pondered, "What should I do with this money?" He realized that managing his finances properly was an important step toward self-improvement and financial independence. Dan decided to explore the world of investments. He started with small steps, studying concepts, understanding financial markets, and learning from the success and failures of others. Every evening, he dedicated time to studying books and online courses, trying to grasp the intricacies of investing. One day, after reading the story of a successful investor, Dan decided to try his hand in the stock market. He invested his first earnings in bonds and technology company stocks. From the first days, he faced excitement and tension but didn't give up. After several months, his account started showing profits. Dan was thrilled that his time and efforts were paying off. He realized the importance of not being afraid to take risks and learning from his mistakes. 20 years later, Dan had his own small business, a car, a house, a wife, and 2 daughters. Everything one could dream of. All thanks to Dan contemplating his future on time. His total capital had crossed the 1 million mark, and he no longer needed to work hard. His employees handled all the work, while Dan supervised and managed the process. Dan's success story is an inspiring example of how proper financial planning, hard work, and a constant drive for self-improvement can lead to financial independence and success. Here are a few key points worth emphasizing. Education and self-improvement play a crucial role in achieving financial success. Dan understood that informed decisions in the financial sphere can only be made based on deep knowledge and understanding. Here's how he came to understand this principle. Exploring the world of investments. Dan started his education by studying the basics of investing, financial statement analysis, investment instruments, and strategies. He mastered the fundamental concepts and techniques necessary for successful financial management. Continuous knowledge enhancement. Dan didn't stop at what he had achieved and constantly sought to expand his knowledge. He studied new technologies, market trends, capital management theories, and other aspects to stay abreast of the latest changes and opportunities. Educational programs and additional courses. To deepen his knowledge, Dan took educational programs and courses on investments and financial analysis. He also actively read specialized literature, attended seminars, and consulted with experts in the field of finance. Applying knowledge in practice. Dan didn't just study theory, he actively applied his knowledge in practice. He conducted market analysis, made investment decisions, assessed risks, and the efficiency of his actions, allowing him to continuously develop as a financial specialist. Through a commitment to continuous learning and self-improvement, Dan became an expert in his field and was able to make informed and successful financial decisions, leading to his achievement of financial success. Risk-taking experience. Dan decided to try his hand in the stock market, unafraid to take risks. Thanks to his risky experience in the market, Dan learned to manage risks, make informed decisions, and learn from his mistakes, ultimately helping him become a more experienced and successful investor. Perseverance and resilience. Dan faced challenges and obstacles on his journey to financial success. However, he did not let these setbacks discourage him. Instead, he persevered and remained resilient in the face of adversity. Dan worked tirelessly to achieve his goals, and despite the obstacles, he continued to move forward. This determination and resilience helped him overcome challenges and ultimately succeed in his financial endeavors. Well-rounded approach to finances. Dan not only focused on investing, but also diversified his knowledge and skills in other areas. This diversified approach helped him create a successful business and provide financial stability for himself and his family. By expanding his expertise beyond just investing, Dan was able to enhance his overall financial acumen and build a strong foundation for his financial success. Tips for financial literacy. Education. Invest in your own education and development. Improve your financial knowledge, study the markets, acquire new skills. Read books and study materials. Attend courses and seminars. Learn about various investment instruments. Practice and test your knowledge goals and plans. Define your financial goals and develop a plan to achieve them, determined and persistent in reaching them. Setting specific financial goals and planning for their achievement are key steps to financial success. Here's how to be more specific and detailed in setting goals and planning to achieve them. Goal setting. First, define your long-term and short-term financial goals. For example, this could be saving a certain amount of money to buy a house, providing for children's education, planning for retirement funding, or reaching a specific level of monthly income. Specificity of goals. Make your goals specific and measurable. Specify exact figures, amounts, deadlines, and parameters to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve. Action plan development. Develop a step-by-step plan of how you intend to achieve your goals. Identify the necessary actions, resources, timelines, and responsible parties for each step. Setting intermediate goals. Break down your goals into smaller intermediate milestones. This will help you track your progress, maintain motivation, and make adjustments to the plan if necessary. Financial assessment. Analyze your financial capabilities and the resources needed to achieve the set goals. Develop a budget, plan investments, and consider potential sources of income. Monitoring and adjustment. Regularly monitor your progress towards your goals, analyze the effectiveness of your actions, and adjust the plan if necessary. Diversified approach. A diversified approach to building a sustainable financial future is truly important and can help you diversify sources of income. Here are a few specific steps to take a diversified approach to improving your financial position. Income diversification. Don't limit yourself to only one source of income. Aim for diversity. Consider opportunities for additional earnings through freelancing, passive income, renting out, or investing in different assets. Development of new skills. Learning new skills and areas of expertise will help you expand your opportunities for earning additional income. Consider professional growth, training courses, workshops, and masterclasses to become more competitive in the job market. Creating passive income. Invest in sources of passive income such as dividends, real estate rental, selling informational products, or starting an online business. This will allow you to earn money even while on vacation. Investing in various assets. Diversify your investment portfolio by investing in various types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, or cryptocurrencies. This will help you reduce risks and ensure a more stable income. Protection and creating reserves. Create a financial safety cushion to protect yourself from unforeseen situations or financial difficulties. This may include an emergency fund for job loss, life or health insurance, as well as retirement savings plans. In conclusion of this video, I want to wish you success in building a sustainable financial future. Remember that a diversified approach to financial management, income source diversity, and continual self-improvement efforts can lead you to financial independence and goal achievement. And remember, every individual has the opportunity to create their path to financial success, starting with small steps and continuous development. If you enjoyed this video and would like to receive more helpful tips on finances and personal effectiveness, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on new videos. Thank you for your attention and wish you luck and prosperity. See you soon.